State law allowed employers to pay people with disabilities in Illinois below minimum wage for their work.
But as WGN's Sean Lewis reports, that's now changing.
Well, good evening. It's been about 90 years since the U.S. first passed the minimum wage law and set up that two-tiered system for sub-minimum wage for people working with disabilities. Now, advocates have been working now for years to get that law changed, and today it happened. In a packed room, the law signed by Governor J.B. Pritzker giving Illinois workers with disabilities equal pay.
We did it.
With the Dignity in Pay Act, Illinois joins 17 other states that are now phasing out 14C certificates, which allow employers to pay those workers with disabilities less than minimum wage. It'll happen by the end of 2029 in Illinois.
For too long, our state has left workers with disabilities behind.
The governor calling on the federal government now to revise that law that was first passed in 1938 to set up that two-tiered system.
We are sending an unequivocal message across Illinois and frankly across the nation that nobody should underestimate or undervalue the labor of persons with disabilities.
The law passed in Springfield in a bipartisan vote in November, which also allocates $2 million to help businesses and workers with the transition.
Because this is an issue that it doesn't impact by party, this impacts everybody.
As an organization, we were not always in support of legislation like this. It took years of negotiation with stakeholders within our own organization and otherwise to arrive at this framework, dignity and pay.
It was definitely degrading as soon as I figured out what was going on.
Workers like Tyson Bedford say it goes a long way for him and the 3,300 others who have worked for less in the state.
We are very excited to be moving forward and to be, really given the chance to be paid the same, or at least given the same opportunities as other individuals in Illinois.
People with disabilities, dream big. Let's prove that people with disabilities are not broken people.
And even though the governor did sign that law today, it will still take several years for businesses to have to fully comply with it, about 2029, 2030. We have a link to the full law on WGNTV.com. In River North tonight, Sean Lewis, WGN News.